Welcome to the course on computer programming. In this video, we will be discussing about using conditions in an if statement. So, this is a program to check whether a character is a vowel or a consonant. So, what is a vowel? Vowel are A, E, I, O, U. All the other characters are consonants. So, in order to do that, first we will have to read the alphabet that we are going to check. So I will declare a variable character C. Then I will print that I have to enter the alphabet. Then I will read that character C. Then what am I going to do? I am going to check whether this character C is a vowel or a consonant. So how can I check that? I will check whether C equal to A or C equal to uppercase A or C equal to lowercase e or C equal to uppercase e or C equal to lowercase I or C equal to capital I or C equal to lowercase o or C equal to uppercase o or C equal to u or C equal to uppercase u. Okay, so you are checking whether the character that we have entered is equal to uppercase a e i o u or lowercase a e i o u. Okay, so how we are doing that? We are doing C equal to lowercase a. Then what we are doing? We are doing an or operation. Then what you do? You check whether C equal to uppercase A. Then again you will perform an or operation. So this is what I wanted to discuss about this or in between. Okay, so when you have multiple conditions to check in a single statement, okay, you can join them either using or using and, etc. Okay, these are logical or logical and. Okay, so what happens in a logical or case? In logical or case, if any one of the conditions are true, then the entire condition becomes true. So if I am checking whether the character entered is either a capital A or a small letter A, only that. Okay, nothing else. I am just checking whether the character entered is either a small letter A or a capital letter A. So this is my check. Okay, so if I have entered capital A, okay, this is my input. So at this condition, if C equal to A, what happens? C equal to A will give a value 0 because it is not true, it is false. Okay, because I have entered capital A. So when I check whether C equal to lowercase a, this will return a value 0 because it is false. Okay, and then what I will come to this condition. In this condition, what happens? C equal to A, I have entered a capital letter A. So when I check whether C equal to capital A, I will get a value 1. Okay, then what I am going to do? I am going to OR these two. Okay, when I OR these two, what will I get? I will get an answer 1. So this condition will become true. Okay, so same is the case here we have used multiple ors to combine everything. So if the character entered is a lowercase a e i o u or an uppercase a e i o u, then this condition will give you a value 1. So this will become true. So it will print it is a vowel. Okay, suppose you have entered a character that do not belong to these two, then it will print that it is a consonant. So we are basically discussing about joining multiple conditions using or. Okay, so what we are actually doing, you will take individual conditions and their corresponding true value or false value, then OR it. Okay, so you take this individual condition, check whether this is true or false. Okay, if it is true, you will get a value 1. If it is false, you will get a return value 0. Similarly, you will take this individual condition, find whether it is true or false, then you will OR these two. Okay, if you have more conditions, you get a truth value for that condition also. Then what you will do, if you have three conditions, okay, so this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, and the third condition is also 0, what will happen? For OR, you need only one condition to be true. You need not have more than one condition to be true. Okay, so you have one condition to be true in this case, so you will get a value 1. Okay, suppose this was also 0, what happens? All the conditions are false, so when you OR it, you get a result 0. Okay, so that is how you combine multiple conditions in a single statement. Okay, a similar example is for checking whether the entered uh, character is an alphabet or not. So here what I am going to check, I am checking whether the entered character is between small letter a and small letter z and capital letter A and capital letter Z. Okay, so between can be written as, okay, how will you write something which is between in case of numbers? In case of numbers, between, if I want to check whether a number n is between uh, 10 and 20, how will I do that? You will check whether n is greater than or equal to 10 and n is less than or equal to 20. This is how you check, right? Okay, so you are checking whether n is between 10 and 20. How will you do that? You will check whether n is greater than or equal to 10 and n is less than or equal to 20. So suppose I entered a value uh, 15. Okay, so 15 greater than or equal to 10. Okay, this condition returns a value 1. And 15 less than or equal to 20, this condition also returns a value 1. Okay, so you are doing what? You are doing an ampersand operation. Okay, so that is and, logical and, sorry, not ampersand, logical and operation. So logical and means what? All the operands of logical and should be 1, then only you will get a result 1. So this is 1, this is 1. So when you AND these two, you get a 1. Okay, suppose n was 3, what will happen? 3 greater than or equal to 10, my result will be 0. And checking whether 3 is less than or equal to 20, that is true, right? So you have 0 and 1. When you AND 0 and 1, you get a result 0. Okay, so similarly, you can check whether a character is between lowercase a and z and uppercase a and z. How will you do that? You will check whether C is greater than or equal to small a and C is less than or equal to small z. Okay, then what is this? Then you can check whether C is greater than or equal to capital A, logical, and C is less than or equal to capital Z. Okay, so these are the two conditions which I have to check, whether A is character is between lowercase a and z and the character is between uppercase a and z. Okay, so here if a character is between a or z, a to z, or the character is between capital A or A and Z, then it means whatever I have entered is an alphabet. So you have to combine these two with an OR. Okay, so you are combining these two with an OR. Okay, so either this is true or this is true. Okay. Okay, then this condition will give you a value 1. Okay, if either one of these is true, then the statement will be true. Okay, so that is how you will combine multiple conditions and how you will write between in a condition. Thank you.